guys, hee hee. So I know it's been so long. As you can see, I have a new setup. I'm currently kneeling on the floor because I think that I'm too high up when I'm sitting on my chair, but this is my room. Me and my roommate moved. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I've started drinking this already. I'm literally almost done. It's a chocolate milkshake. I have Smashburger today. I'm really excited because I always remember they have the best, they call it smash fries with rosemary. Oh my God. Wait. You already know what we gotta do. I will say, I remember their milkshakes being a lot better. Oh wait, look at this. Mmm. Chocolate milkshakes are my favorite. Chocolate milkshakes and strawberry milkshakes. Mmm. Wow. These fries are simply delectable. It was so funny. My friend Charlotte, oh my God. I'm so messy. Ah! My friend Charlotte was like, I'm so glad you're saying delectable. You used to say it all the time when you were younger. And I like literally didn't even remember that. I was like, oh my God, you're right. I used to say it a lot. Mmm. This is a little bit liquidier, but it's still really good. Okay. Now let's eat the burger. Sorry, it's been ages since I've made a YouTube video. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this delectable burger. Ooh, doodly-doo. Oh, and the pickles fall right out. Okay, wait, look at this mini tomato. Oh, literally, I've never seen anything cuter than these little tomatoes and this little onion. Ah, this makes me so happy. All right. I remember them having like really good burgers. Mmm. Simply delectable. Yep, this is good. Mmm. Oh. That napkin had milkshake on it. Is this better than Five Guys? No. Few burgers are, but you know what? I don't think that they put ketchup on this. And I need ketchup on my burgers. I love ketchup on my burgers. I don't know how people don't like ketchup. And yes, I know I say ketchup weirdly. Mmm. You guys gotta let me know if you like this new setup. It is a little uncomfortable sitting on my knees, but I don't mind it. The lighting is super good. It's just been taking me so long to like organize my room, buy things for our living room, so I really haven't had time to like make a YouTube video. That and when I was unbanned from TikTok, I got so excited. So I was like, so I wanted to put like all my energy into like making TikToks. Mmm. Seriously, these fries are so good. So yeah, but when I was banned, I was making YouTube videos like every week. I need to get back into that. I want to do a Trader Joe's like fall foods YouTube video. It's so funny that you can see my comforter. Will makes fun of my comforter. He said that it reminds him of Frozen, and it's like a kid's comforter. I think it's pretty. I was thinking of getting a new one though. What color do you guys think I should get? I'm like so bad at picking out comforters or any, like, I'm just bad at interior design, honestly. Like, I don't think I have a vision for my room yet, which is really bothering me, but I just organized it. There were boxes. Oh God, okay, don't ignore that box over there. I need to throw that out. But I emptied all the boxes in my room, finally. It's been a few weeks, but we moved and then I like went to New Jersey for like 2 weeks, so I haven't really had a lot of time. But yeah, I love living in this new apartment. It's so much bigger than our old one. It's like crazy. People were making fun of me because I eat one fry at a time. I don't know, it makes the fry more enjoyable. Well, let's take a couple. Whoa! Yummy! So good. Speaking of getting banned from TikTok, by the way, I was banned a few days ago for doing that like twerking trend to that Jack Harlow and Lil Nas X song. And TikTok banned me for like 2 days. I'm like, are you serious? It's annoying because I want people to know that more of my body exists, you know? They always just see me from like the chest up, you know? I want to have fun with the trends too. You know, this is a good burger. It's not too big. Like Five Guys burgers are huge. This entire meal was like 15 bucks. So not that bad, but for like Five Guys, it would be like 15 bucks for all this. And Five Guys gives you a huge burger and so many fries. I think I like the smash fries better than Five Guys fries though. Five Guys fries are so good, but I feel like it's hit or miss. Sometimes they're like really soggy, and other times they're really good and crispy. But sometimes I'm like in a weird mood for soggy fries. I know this is really weird. Yummy. I really want to try the Taco Bell chicken sandwich taco. I'm so curious about it. Like, did Taco Bell just feel left out that they didn't have a chicken sandwich? I don't know. Oh, I'm almost done with this. I do wonder how the audio is going to sound. Like, maybe you can hear me better. Because for some reason, the audio on my phone is so good. When I make TikToks, it sounds like legit ASMR. I don't think the audio is as good on my camera, though. But you know what? Normally, like, at my old setup in the old apartment, I used to film in my kitchen, and the fridge would make a lot of noise. So I am curious to edit this video to see how the background noises play out. Wow. I actually devoured this burger. It's good. Is it as good as I remember? Not really, you know? But it is a good burger, I will say. There's this really good burger place called Melange in DC. If you guys are around DC, you have to go. They have literally the best burgers. I think it's on K Street. I think. I've lived here for so long and I'm still bad with directions. Like, people will ask me where a street is and I'm like, Let me consult Google Maps. Ooh, you can just see the delectable rosemary. I wonder how many times I've said delectable in this video. You guys, I'm actually really upset that summer's ending. Like, everyone was like, oh my god, fall weather needs to come. And I'm like, no, I'm not ready for summer to go. I'm definitely not ready for it to get, like, cold out. As I get older, I get more intolerant of cold weather. Like, if I lived in places like Michigan or, I don't know, like Vermont, places that get a lot of snow, ooh, I don't think I could do it. New Jersey was a little much for me, and that's not even the worst of them. Though I will say New Jersey, we've had some bad snowstorms there. Definitely some bad snowstorms. I think it was, what year was it? I was in high school, but there was like a snowstorm that happened in October. It was crazy. Last two fries. Let's dip it in the little bit of milkshake we have left. You know, kneeling is really not bad. All right, let's finish this off. They use Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Haagen-Dazs is the best. I like it better than Ben & Jerry's. Oh, brain freeze. Wow, this was delicious. And don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna go back to posting regularly now that, you know, I moved in a little bit more and everything. But thank you guys so much for watching this mukbang. Hee hee. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.